Gracias, Padre mío, por darme la herencia de la vida.
Hey! Oh my God, you stupid idiot!
Hoy ya no estás aquí conmigo, porque Dios quiso poner...
No! Shut that car, bro! Why didn't you just go forward? You just hit that guy's car, bro!
How big it is.
That has cool ass cars though.
I know.
Almost do all of them.
Jesus!
Coveralls. Hang on, this stranger is different from them in other ways too. Come in here so we can take care of you, the old man says, as the girl nods encouragement. I think of my attacker driving around in his white van, his gun in his lap, searching for the girl who got away. I stand up, wobbly. The limo door opens, and the old man slides over to make room for me.
This is giving taxi driver right now.
Huh?
This is giving taxi driver right now. The song.
That freaked me out. I thought that guy was coming to get me.
Because he's not gonna be there when we get home, probably. Oh, Jesus!
Oh man,
Crud!
pulled right into him.
Yeah, you did. Alright, let's be a witness to that. Should we?
Sure.
Just give him our name and address? Or what?
Sure.
¿Estás bien? ¿Qué pasó? Papito.
Careful, careful, careful. Look at you.
Блять, куда ты едешь, долбоеб ебучий, блять? Идиот, блять. Where are you going, блять?
You're coming to me.
Why, you don't see that the people, they are the driving. You need to watch. Idiot, блять.
Looks like LY 6096.
God damn it.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover